picked this up a couple days ago from Home Depot. I ordered online. Actually, considering COVID and all, it still came early, which I was rather impressed about. I have yet to open it. So, that's interesting. It could be anyway. And it looks like it's potentially in there upside down. So, it's kind of works out. Not even planned. Yeah. I'll show you what it looks like inside here. So, we basically box the box, of course, but, you know, they put some pillows in there. Yeah, I think that's a fairly reasonable amount of padding top and bottom. This is in the back, this I had, one in the front there, and I think that looks pretty good. Some of these boxes get pretty beat, whether they want to admit it or not. Caution. Yeah. Got a little slip. Order slip anyway. Alright. Will this go just as smooth? This is plastic. So that's alright. Nothing a little laser blade action will easily take care of. Yeah. So, a couple staples on the top. Just get your hand under there a little bit. There. Just like that. Alright. So, peel this stuff back. And quick. Top here. So, that's what it looks like. I'm assuming this is where it's set up. Certainly looks it. Okay. So we got oh yeah. Yeah, sure. This is basically a nice folded up assorted packing something or whatever I'm trying to say. So we got something over here, which looks like some bracketry, a zip tie, a couple zip ties. Something over here, some A fitting, one fitting, and what other day? Yep. Oh yeah, it's got a valve, fitting with a valve, gotcha. It's just like a cover. Some more covers. Oh yeah, cool. Now we're getting down to one truth here. cool just because that means I'm not much closer to being warm upstairs. So I hope a nice little booklet here. Rinnai. What model is this? I don't even know. I should know. I believe it's rated for about 20,000 or so BTU. It is the model number EX22CTWP. So, I'm gonna get it the rest of the way up. Yeah, I'm gonna, for video's sake, I'll pull it the rest of the way out. Actually, I'm gonna keep that book there. Because I know when I watch things on YouTube, I like to see as much as I can. Oh boy. This is not overly heavy, but when you're trying to get the crap so, it's actually packed pretty well. It's got a piece of actual like board on the bottom here. So with the original wrapping and the shipping packaging, it's done pretty well. So, yeah. There it is. Yeah. Cool. So when I ordered this, there's white or beige, and I am not a beige person. So I'm so happy to see that this thing came white. So let's take a closer look here. Yeah, pretty plain Jane. I mean, you know. So if you can see there, take a second to pause. That's the model number, that top silver badge. Plenty more info along the bottom. And again, if I'm not holding it there for long enough, certainly feel free to just pause or rewind and pause. But yeah, pretty basic. Nice trim little unit. Yeah. So, this is it. Boy, it is pretty darn basic looking. I actually want to go take a look at that cord over there. Because I don't... Oh, yeah. Alright, so don't mind me. I've got two cameras going right now. But yeah, there's a... Yeah. I don't know if you can see through it, but it's set for 110. Plug right in, which is awesome. Because I'm off grid. And the only thing close to grid I have right now is a generator. Matter of fact, this generator. And it's done well. My uncle gave it to me. I had to do some carb work and change the oil and, you know, just pretty basic stuff like that actually. And it's been awesome. But anyway, so yeah. So that's it. That's the heater. Pretty sweet, pretty trim looking. I like it. I think it's a little basic. I kind of wish it was like a little more futuristic-ish, I guess, but nothing wrong with a basic, clean looking heater. just for curiosity. So I'm getting 30 inches width from the floor here up. I'm gonna call that, well, it's like 22 7/8. I'd call it 23. And I'm measuring from the thickest part all the way out to where that pipe sticks out. It's 9.5. I'd say maybe it's a little bit, just to be safe, call it 10 inches. So, boy, it's pretty trim. So I'm excited to see how it works. This is going in a 16 wide by 39. That's the actual interior measurements. The ceiling is a little funny because it's an attic truss, so it's hard to get the exact cubic feet, but from everything I've researched, this should do it. Plenty of people have said it's capable for more just by the sounds of how it easily handles bigger rooms than mine. So anyway, that's it.